Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Synthesia.io for free on phone. First, you need to go Synthesia.io. We can create AI videos by using this website very easily. If you want to create free AI videos, first you need to click this button and then you can enter a script for your video in here. After you enter your script, tap on this continue button. Next, you need to add some details in here. So fill this and valid business email in here because your generated video will send to this email. If you haven't a business email, don't worry. Enter here your personal email and then you can see they give some error notification in here. And now scroll down a bit and you can see this option. So click this and enter your script again. Next, fill your name again. Now you can enter your personal email without any issues. And please tick here, I am not a robot, and tick here again. Then tap on this button for generate your videos. Now your video is getting ready. You will receive your video by an email in some few minutes. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.